Hello everyone, welcome to GeeksforGeeks learning platform, and today we are going to learn, we are going to see something like exactly what happened in our TCS Nqt test. What is exactly our TCS Nqt test? Exactly, this is going to be happen in 2021, and through this they are going to hire. Okay. So before starting the session, I'm waiting for some time so that the student can join the session. Meanwhile, those students who have already joined the session, can they please let me know that my voice is audible or my screen is visible or not? I'm just waiting for the responses. Yeah, anyone just let me know that my voice is audible or not. That's it. Or my screen is visible or not. Meanwhile, once the students are about to join, I'm just telling you something like Tata Consultancy Services has just started the national qualifier test. Okay, it's already started. Okay, but in this year, they are also going to take the examinations. Basically, TCS is going to take examination in the various way. Like they included quant section, they included coding section, they included verbal ability too. Okay, so as I can see, yeah, thank you, Rohit. Yeah, okay, now we can start the session as we have already understand that our voice is clear. Okay, now our screen is also visible now. So in this session, I'm going to solve some question which is already came in our TCS examination in the previous years. Okay, now I'm just taking that some of the examples and going to solve that questions. While solving the question, we will keep this in our mind, like how to see the size of the question is huge. Okay, as you can see, the question is in huge size, but we are not going to see each and every question in that way. Okay, all I'm going to see is like how this huge question can be solved once we are going to see that the shortcut tricks also. Okay, so this is the thing, like we have to go through like that. Now just see first question. Okay, our first question is 1 divided by 3 by 7 of 6 plus 8 multiply by 3 minus 2 bar plus 1 by 5 divided by 7 by 25 minus 3 by 7 plus 8 by 14. It seems like it's a very huge question. Will take a lots of time to solve this question. Okay, but the thing is, like once you are going through the layman way, okay, there is a two things. Once a layman way, once is the formula way. Once you will go that the layman way, there's a huge chances when it's a huge chances like this question is about to go in the wrong way. Okay, that's why we will solve this one according to our formula. Okay, so solving this question using this, we all have understand this rule. Okay, that the BODMAS rule. What is exactly? B stand for bracket, O stand for off, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Okay, so once you have seen that question, okay, I'm just taking that slide in the previously. Now for the first time, see all of this in first we have to solve this part. Okay, I'm going to solve this part first. Okay, because this one is the bar section. Okay, so first initially we have to go for the V. Okay, V for this is our bar section. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. Once I'm going to solve this, 3 minus 2 will be 1. Okay, now that's it. Okay, because it's in the bracket, so I'm going to leave that part here and we'll go from the further time. Okay, here I have only solved that bar section. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That's it. I haven't disturbed any one of that. Okay, now let's move to the further. Now just here it's as it is as before. I'm just let that 3 minus 2, this one is coming from 3 minus 2 bar. Okay, so this is as it is 1. Now I have to solve this part also. Now as you can see, this bracket, as for this first one is bracket, so 6 plus 8 multiply by 1. Okay, so first 8 multiply by 1 is 1. So sorry, 8 multiply by 1 is 8. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. So till this it's clear. I'm going to see this, the whole statement is 1 divided by 3 by 7 of 14. That's it. I'm now going to moving forward. Okay, this I am just copy paste as it is. Okay, I'm not disturbing any of that. Okay, now again, now it's time to disturb this part. Okay, see 1 division by 1 but divided by 5 division of 7 by 25 minus. Okay, now I am going to disturb this part. The LCM of 7 and 14 will be 14. Okay, so 7 2 ja 14, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 8, this will be, this is equal to 14 by 14. Okay, as you can see, 14 by 14, this will cancel out and give you 1. Okay, So I'm directly writing this 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, and 14 divided by 14 is equal to 1. I'm writing this directly. Okay. Now again you can see 1 division by 3 by 5, 3 by 7 of 14 plus 1 by 5 division of 7 by 25 minus 1. Now now this is two different kind of a category. Okay, this one first we have to solve this one or this one. Okay, till now it's clear. Okay, I'm moving forward. On moving forward, 1 division by 3 by 7 of 14 plus, okay, 1 by 5. Now it's written over here is like 1 by 5 division of 7 by 25. But once we are going to divide, once I'm going to replace that division, okay, it's exactly written as like that, 1 by 5 division by 7 by 25. So this will go up and this will go here. So it is like 1 by 25 upon 5 into 7. Okay, so it's like 5 5 ja 25. It's like a 5 by 7. It's directly I'm writing here 5 by 7 minus 1. Okay, I'm just doing this the 5 by 7 and again taking the LCM. Okay, here till it's clear. Okay, now 1 division by 3 by 7 of 14 plus, now I'm taking the LCM. The LCM, this can be written as 1. So 1 and 7, the LCM of 1 and 7 will be 7. I'm taking the LCM 5 minus 2. This will give you 5 minus 7 divided by 7. This will give you minus 2 by 7. Okay, now I'm going to open the bracket. 1 division by 3 by 7. This off we can replace now. Okay, so it's 14 minus 2 by 7. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, then we will move further. So as you can see, 7 2 ja 14. This will be 3 2 ja 6. 1 division by 6. So this will conclude as 1 division by 6 minus 2 by 7. Again, I'm going to take the LCM. 7 and 6 LCM will be 42. 7 6 ja, this will be 12. It will be minus 5 by 42. Okay, this is our final answer. Will be also here written as minus 5 by 42. So see, like I have solved this question in the layman manner. It's in the fully mannered. Okay, like I haven't skipped any kind of a step. That's why it's taking this much amount of time. But once you have seen this question in actual examination, you don't have to go through this all layman way. Okay, you don't have to go through all the steps just to follow this like that. You lots of calculation you have to do into your own mind, and then you have to reflect that thing into other board. Okay, so in the examination we don't have to go through all the steps. Okay, in the examination we have only care about that from there, like from here. Okay, we can directly jump to this step. Okay, if I'm saying that here to here, okay, I can directly jump through this step. Okay, so like 1 by 5 multiply by 5 by 7, this directly will 5 5 ja 5 5 ja 25. 5 by 7 minus 1, it will be give you minus 2 by 7. So here in the examination we are going to skip 2 or 3 steps. Okay, so this question is clear. Is it any doubt in this question? Any doubt? Okay, now I'm moving to the next question. See, the next question is, I have a 2-digit number. The unit digit is twice as 10th digit. Okay, if I reverse the number and subtract 36 from it, I get the initial number. Then what is the number started with? Okay, see, once we have any number, it's basically it is either 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. So here it's taking 2-digit numbers. It means we have 2 digits in that number. Now it's saying that the unit digit is twice as 10th digit. Whenever you see such questions, okay, when we have to make equations with respect to the another one, with respect to the another one, okay, then assume the another one where you will find when you can make the relation of the first one. Okay, the unit digit is twice as the 10th digit. So here I'm going to assume 10th digit. Okay, let's assume at 10th digit it's x. Okay, at 10th digit, okay, it's x. So what will be the unit digit? You let me know that what is the unit digit. As per the question, the unit digit is twice as the 10th digit. So if 10th digit is x, then unit digit will be twice as 10th digit. It will be 2x. Okay, I'm just moving to the another slide. Okay, so I'm going to see like here again, like if 10th digit is x, then unit digit will be 2x. Okay, I just assumed tens digit is x, then unit digit is 2x. Okay, so on the basis of this, I'm just about to form a, like, what will be the our number. Okay, so our number is tens digit plus unit digit. Okay, so at tens plus, okay, at tens, that the digit plus the unit and the digit. Okay, so 10 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by 2x, this will give you the 12x. Okay, so once the initial one, as per the initial condition, what our the equation will be 12x. Now question is saying that now we are going to reverse it. Okay, so on the reversal, the tens digit will be 2x and unit digit will be x. Initially our tens digit was x, okay, and our unit digit was 2x, but once we are reversing this one, our tens digit will be, now again I'm just reversing this part. Okay, so our tens digit will be 2x and unit digit will be x. Okay, so on the basis of this, again I'm going to form the another equation. Okay, so another equation will be tens. Okay, so this will be 10 into 2x, okay, plus 1 into x. Okay, this will give you 20x plus x is exactly equal to 21x. Till here it's clear? Okay, so I just have made two equations. The first one is once the unit was as it is. Okay, I haven't done any reversal on that moment. The equation, the digit was 12x. Okay, once I have done the reversal part, on that moment our digit was 21x. Okay, now let's move to the another part of the question, what exactly they are saying. Now as per the question, if we reverse the number and subtract 36 from it. Okay, once we have reversed the number, what we have got? 21x. Okay, so once we reverse the number, okay, and subtract 36 from it, so I'm just subtracting 36 from it, then we will get the initial number. What will be our initial number? Was 12x. Okay, so on reversal of number, what the number we have already got, and after that I'm just subtracting 36 from it, then we will get initial number. Solve for x, so 21x minus 36 is equal to 12x. I'm just keeping this x to x on one side and 36 over here. This minus 36 will go at the equal sign and will go to positive. Okay, so this will give you 21x minus 12x is equal to 36. This is like 9x is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Okay, now once we have the as per the questions. Okay, so initially our number was exactly what? 12x. I am putting x is equal to 4 in this. This will give you 48. Okay, but see, 48 is not our option. It's neither it's matching to our options too. Okay, as you can see, it's not an option even written to, but the question what they have asked, then what is the number started with? Our number started with what? 48. I'm just cleaning this one. It what, like 48? Okay, so the number was started with which one? 4. That's the unit place. Okay, so the number started with 4, our option number D. So in this question, like, they give you some questions. Okay, you have to go through it, you have to solve this one, but the thing is, like, they just ask something which is very tricky. You find this option as 48, but you didn't find any option which has a 48 option. Okay, so in the end, then we have understand, and okay, we have to make that the first digit of that number. Okay, now let's move to the another one. See, this is the question of profit and loss. Okay, Renu bought 28 articles of 1540 rupees. She sold them at the Okay, now you can see the questions. Okay, so in that questions, Renu bought 28 articles of 1540 rupees. Okay, so it's exactly like how much they have taken is 1540 rupees. Okay, now she sold them at the profit equal to the selling price of 6 article. Now see the question. We have already understand the selling, that profit is equal to basically what exactly? Selling price minus cost price. Then we will get the profit. Okay, so cost price of 28 article is exactly what? 1540 rupees. Okay, let's assume that the selling price of one article is x rupees. Now the selling price of 28 article will be 28x rupees. Since one article is x rupees, then 28 article will be 28x. Now profit is exactly is equal to selling price minus cost price. So as per the question, let's go again to the question. As per the question, it's saying that the profit is equal to selling price of 6 article. Our profit is exactly the selling price of 6 article. Okay, so I'm going to see this. The profit is exactly selling price of 6 article is exactly equal to 6x, because we have assumed that selling price of one article is x. So selling price of 6 article will be 6x. So profit is equal to selling price of 6 article is like 6x is equal to selling price of, it's exactly selling price of 28 article is 28x minus cost price of 28 article is 1540. So 6x is equal to 28x. 6x is equal to 28x minus 1540. Okay, I'm going to do the rearrangement part. Okay, so 1540 is equal to 28x minus 6x. Okay, so this will give you 1540 is equal to 22x. So x is equal to 1540 divided by 22. I'm going to do this the 11 2ja. Okay, 11 1ja 11, 11 4ja, and this will give you 70. Okay, so the value of x is equal to exactly 70 rupees. Okay, so now for the one article, the value is 70 rupees. Now she's selling in after selling is like 840 rupees. In how much articles she can sold at 840 rupees? Since the selling price of one article is 70 rupees, so in 840 rupees it will be 840 divided by 70. We'll get 12. So she would sell 12 article in 840 rupees. Okay. So this kind of a question is basically in the profit loss. The question are not very tough, as well as the question is like the answer is also like you have to go through the nominal formula. Like for the profit is like you have there are three cases only possible. Either you get profit, or you get loss, or you get no profit no loss. Okay, so in that case, once you will get like if the cost price is, if selling price is more than cost price, okay, in that case what will happen? It's a profit case. Okay, it means like your selling price is more and cost price is less. In that case we will go like selling price minus cost price. This will give you the profit details. In another case, if the cost price is more than selling price, in that case, if the cost price minus selling price, if I'm doing so, this is the loss case. Okay, and the third one is if the cost price is equal to selling price. In that case we have no profit no loss case. In that case, whatever our the cost price, it is our the selling price. Okay, let's move to the another question. Before moving to the another question, if you have any doubts in that question, in the previous question, just let me know. I'm just coming to the chat section. Okay, I just assume that the echo is fine, right? Okay, now this is one more question. We are going to see what is the mean of the mode and median of the given data. Let's see that the mean of mode as well as median of the given data. Like for the particular series, we have to go for the first, we have to calculate mode, okay, then we have to calculate median, and then mean of mode and median. This we have to calculate. Okay, so see, this kind of a data is very, it's a not arranged data, it's not an ascending order, descending order, not the group data, it's nothing like that. Okay, first we have to do what is like, we have to arrange that data so that we can find their mode as well as their median. So first I'm going to take the order. The first, let's count the digit is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18. Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. So total number of digit is 18. Okay, now I'm going to make the arrangement. So in that, here's the 1 is 2 times, I'm just placing 1. 2 is like 1 time. Okay, 3 is like 1 2. Okay, 3 is also 2 times. 4 is like 1 2. Okay, 4 is also 2 times. 5 is like 1 2. 5 is also 2 times. 6 is like 1 2 3. 6 is 3 times. Okay, 7 is like 1 2. 7 is 2 times. 8 is like 1 2. Okay, 8 is also 2 times. 9 is like this and this. So we have, this data is in the group form. Okay, we have 2 ones, 1 2 3 2, sorry, 2 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 3 6, 2 7, 2 8, 2 9. Okay, now let's move to the forward so we can find the median and mode of the data. Before forwarding this, can we have any expectation, like can you please let me know about what is the exactly mode and what is the value of a median for that specific frequency, for the specific series? See how we are going to calculate the mode thing. Mode is basically, though in the given series, those who have the highest frequency will give you the mode. Okay, see, this can be as per the series, we can see that this is 2 1 2 2 2 3. This one is 3. Okay, this one is basically 3. This one is basically 3. Okay, so this is definitely our mode is basically our is 6. Okay, now for the given series is because this one is the highest frequency, so our mode will be 6. Okay, now for the given frequency, how much total data was? It's exactly, see, for the median, it's basically middle term, but middle term can be easily calculated once our series is in the odd one, like if their number is 17 or 15 or 11 like that, but it has exactly 18th. Okay, so we have to go through, like we have to leave that 8 part from this side. So I'm just leaving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm just removing this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 6 8. Okay, so it's basically it's 18. Okay, so I'm removing 8 digit from here, 8 digit from here. So what we have left is 2 digits. Okay, so this 2 digit is 5 and 6. I'm going to take the average for this. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5. Okay, so our mode is exactly, our mode came as 6. Okay, and our median is came as 5.5. so we have to go for the average part. What is the mean? Okay, what is the mean? Mean is basically the find the average. Okay, so mean is like mode is exactly 6 plus our median is 5.5 divided by 2. It's basically 11.5 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, then 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So basically our answer will be 5.75. so here they can give a group data also, they can give you the like sequential arrangement data here, this data. But once we have solved, once we have looked this question, once we have saw this question, the first thing is come into our mind, first we have to our time, how they are going to kill our time is first we have to rearrange that data. Okay, the arrangement part will take some time. After that you have to group the data. After that you have to go for the mode, then median, and then you have to find the mean of that mode as well as median. Okay, so this is the huge task actually, but you have to go very fast. You have to make sure that these things will definitely going to cover within the span of low time. Okay, so I think this is all for today. Okay, if you are in the further, you can go through these sites. Okay, like you have to, we have specifically designed for the some practice questions, as well as the question, as well as the packets exactly, which is dedicated to our TCS Nqt test. Okay, so I'm going to show you that the tour over there. Let me go. Okay, so here is our dedicated course. Okay, so this course is exactly charging you only 499 rupees. Okay, this is which course is exactly contain our practice question of each topic. Okay, our mock test or full mock test, coding question, as well as the previously asked question. This is very important topic. Okay, because once you have understand the previous questions which exactly came in our examination, which is already came in our examination, and through this you can understand what exactly they are going to ask, what they are going to give the pattern, and everything is like that. Okay, 200 plus questions and 55 mock tests. The best thing is like you can buy this whole thing not in 999. There's a the price is getting low, and this course you can buy only for 499 rupees. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this buying of course or anything like that topic we have already learned, please just let me know. I am just looking for the chat box. Okay, just tell me know if you have any doubt. Okay, so I think we are going to wind up over here only. Okay, so the next session, just be along with us. Okay, in the next session we are going to announce very soon like when the next session will going to happen. Till now, thank you so much for having this session. Okay, thank you guys, we'll see you soon, we'll meet you soon. Thank you.